Withdrawing funds from your Epic Games account can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Check your wallet balance. In the account settings, find the Payments section. Here, you can view your current wallet balance and any available funds that can be withdrawn. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Follow the prompts to enter any required information and confirm your withdrawal request. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and updates regarding your funds.